Hello. I'm trying to work on my 52-week tag challenge from Spankie's Crafty Corner. I will make sure to put a link down below in the description box. I'm going to work on week 26. The word is sing. The texture or material is music paper, and the color combo is black, tan, and turquoise. So that works really well with music paper. I have this book about birds, and I found this image right in the beginning and decided that that's the one I want to use, along with maybe something else. Haven't decided. And I have this complete edition of different composers, which I meant to look to see. I don't think it does not have a copyright. Oh, it does have a copyright date. Oh, the copyright date is in Roman numerals, which is very interesting. This piece right here will work very nicely, so I have a few other images, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, but we are getting one wicked storm. It is black as night out there. Anyways, I'm going to go work on this project, and sorry, lost my train of thought. Anyways, I will be back in a little while and talk to you about how it went. Okay, everyone, I'm really pleased with this one. This is week 26 of the 52-week tag challenge from Spankie's Crafty Corner. The word was sing, the material or texture was music paper, and the color combo was tan, black, and turquoise. And I'm real happy with how it came out. This little image was on newsprint. The tan was more gray than the music paper and the book paper, so I just did a little turquoisey ink on it. This, by the way, is tumbled glass. These are distress inks. I can put a link to those down below. I used my Mason Row Click Stamps again, and there again there's always a link for these because I use them in pretty much every one of these videos. I really like how it came out. I'm very pleased with it. I did accidentally pull out 2 pages of the music paper, but that's alright. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on and find another chore for today. Because, you know, I do have to do chores once in a while. So, make a conscious effort to question what you feel and why. Okay. Sometimes I'm not sure that's all about creativity, but I'm real pleased, and I thank you for coming. And if you haven't subscribed, and I'd love it if you would. And if you have and you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Talk to you later. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.